So excited for this video. What is up, my love bugs? My name is Sam and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very exciting one. So today's video, if you haven't already noticed from the title, is I look like I'm about to cry. I'm not about to cry. Maybe. I don't know. Today we're doing the review of the Blue Blood palette. That is so hard for me to say and I have no idea why, but it is. It literally just got here like 30 minutes ago. Fun fact, okay, I didn't think I was going to be able to get this palette. I knew I was going to be at work the day that it came out and I was like, how am I going to make it work? Well, the palette launched at 12, so I set an alarm on my phone for 11:55 and that alarm went off and I turned my light off and I went to the bathroom and I sat there for 5 minutes until the palette came out. So I had my card ready and everything. I was so ready. Like, I had it in my cart and I went, like I was gonna check out and then the website shut down and I was like, this can't be happening. So I sit there and it loaded and loaded and loaded and finally I was like, I have to go back to work. Like, I can't just not be at work, you know what I mean? But I went on my lunch break, which was at 1, and a whole hour later, okay? And I just went and looked on his website and I was like, I'm just gonna go look. I'm just gonna go look. So guess what? It was still there. And I got one. And I am so freaking excited. I've opened it up, obviously, but I haven't swatched anything. I've just looked at it and taken videos of it and put it on my Instagram. But I'm gonna stop talking and so we can get into this because I'm so excited. So here is the outside box that the palette comes in and it's beautiful. It's like metallic, you know. I love Jeffree's packaging so much. Also, I look bald. This is, I'm so scared it's gonna fall out of here. I love it so freaking much. Oh my god. But I love this, like the chrome, like the blue chrome. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's like a coffin. I am obsessed. And it's really like smooth. Like Blood Sugar kind of feels like leather, you know? This feels like, I don't know. Oh my god, I love it so much. I was so scared that it was going to come in broken because everyone said that Cremated, which is this gray shade right here, they said that it came in broken. And it kind of smells weird, but I don't think that's anything I should be worried about. But no, I was so terrified when I opened it that it was going to be broken and then I was going to cry on my living room floor, but it wasn't broken and I didn't cry, so that's always a good day. I guess I'm just going to start by naming off the shades and then showing swatches of them. I think that's what I'm going to do. So on the top row we have Cullinan, Mint Tea, Crystal Flesh, I'm Cold, Untouchable, and Priceless. On the second row we have Power, Blue Blood, Deceased, Ice Tray, Blue Monday, and Flourishing. And then on the last row we have Wealthy, Celebrity Skin, Entitled, Ocean Ice, Cremated, and Undertaker. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my eyeshadow primer. Oh my god, I love that it has a mirror. The mirror is huge. You can see my big old forehead on that thing. I don't know what kind of look I want to do. So now that we are all up close and personal and you can see every imperfection in my eyebrows right now, I'm just going to jump right in and just go for it. Okay, I think I'm going to go straight in with the shade Flourishing, which is like this green. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I'm just going to go straight in with this color. Okay, go off. If you hear the rain, I'm so sorry. Just packing on that shade in a circle. Go into the same thing on this side. Trying not to pick up too much because I don't want it to fall down on my face. Then I'm going to lightly blend the edge of that just so it's not as harsh. Oh my god, I love this color. Then I'm going to blend that out with the shade Mint Tea. Minty? I don't know. I know how Jeffree's shadows work and I love his formula, so I knew this palette was going to be good. And like, I hope I'm not speaking it too soon. But so far, I am obsessed. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that Flourishing shade and pack on a little bit more, see how deep we can get this color. Okay, I'm going to go into the shade Deceased. I'm just going to put that right in between, right in the middle area. You saw where I just put it, right? Kind of bringing it up and out, and we'll blend it out in just a second. Then I'm going to blend that out with Minty. This Deceased shade is actually really interesting because in the pan it looks like a metallic, but it's not. It's just like a matte. I don't know. So now I want to deepen up the crease a little bit. And I so want to go in with Undertaker because I want to put Blue Monday on my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the shade Undertaker, which is the darkest shade in the palette, I do believe. There's a lot of kickback. A lot of kickback. I'm going to put this in my crease. Maybe. I didn't get very much because I was honestly scared of it. It looks so patchy on camera, but it's not. How about we try to pack it on? Because I think that was one of the shades he said was a pressed pigment, maybe? I'm going to mix the shades Flourishing and Deceased together and kind of softly blend out this color. I'm trying to decide which color I want to put on my lid. Okay, so I can't wait any longer, and I'm going to go in with the shade Blue Monday and put that on my lower lash line. I don't know what this is about to look like, but we'll see. I look crazy. I love this shade, but I don't think I love it under the eyes, but I gotta blend it out first. And then we will judge. So I'm gonna blend that out with the shade Blue Blood. Whoa. That was very, like, can you see that? I don't know. That definitely toned it down. To darken up the crease just a little bit more, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cremated. Since I'm gonna put a black lipstick with this, I want the outside to be as dark as possible. This is another one of those colors that you have to really pack on first and then blend it out. I'm actually going to take a little bit of Cremated and Undertaker mixed together and put it in my waterline. Ooh, I like that. So here's what we have so far. So I'm going to put the shade Ocean Ice on my lids. I know that for sure. But I'm going to go in with a little bit of glitter glue first because it does look like a chunky glitter, and I want to give this the best chance possible. Then I'm just going to pick up Ocean Ice on this brush and see what that looks like first. Here goes nothing, boyos. Oh my gosh. So that shade is stunning, but it had a lot of fallout. On my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Cullinan, which is an icy white shade. Pop that right there. Oh, I love that. We'll do a good bit of it too. And then just blend out that edge with my finger. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Adding that really, like, oh my gosh, it made this look so much better. So here's the look, and I'm obsessed with it, obviously. But the only problem is there was a lot of fallout, and I didn't notice it when it was up close. But now that I'm far away, you can see there's like a ton of blue just chilling there, you know? I'm gonna do my mascara and my lipstick off camera, and I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so here is the finished look. I put on a black lip and some mascara, and I fixed the blue situation that was happening underneath there. So, my final thoughts. I love the color scheme of the palette. I think it is beautiful. I love the way the shades blend together, but there is a good bit of fallout. Honestly, I have nothing bad to say about the palette. I really, really, really like the packaging. I love the packaging, actually. But I am just obsessed with this look. I'm gonna go take some Instagram pictures, try to get a good thumbnail. I think that is it for today's video. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel because it would mean the world to me. And don't forget to hit the little bell button down below so you're notified every time I post a video. I will see your beautiful faces in the next one. Peace.